Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove number list and alphabetic number list from your PDF file using Foxit PDF reader. This is my PDF file and I'll remove this number list from my text. Click on this edit option and this edit text option, click here. Now click on this text box option and drag the mouse cursor, select your text or press Ctrl from your keyboard and select whole text box. Now click this right sidebar arrow and this is number list option, click here and this close number list, click this and see this number list now gone. Also remove this alphabetical number list and similar way do this and click this none and see this our number list now totally gone. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.